What is going on, guys? It is your boy Ari Petru, UK's biggest hype. He's back again with another YouTube banger, and today actually is going to be a banger. So much is going to happen in this video. Now you need to stay tuned to the very end of this video because there is a crazy giveaway going on. Now some of you may know I just gave away a pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1s over on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it is at Ari Petru, exactly the same as my YouTube. It's on the screen right here. It is linked down below, so make sure you go and follow my Instagram. But if you guys don't follow my Instagram or for some reason you missed that giveaway, then just stay tuned until the end of the video. That might give away what's going on. But anyways, guys, if you have been living under a rock or you have no idea for some reason, I don't know how, but there is a crazy store that they do all the sneaker shoppings in, all the complex sneaker shopping. I'm talking about Stadium Goods, right? So Stadium Goods approached me and was like, yo, Ari, we want to do something. We want to do something cool for a video or for Instagram or whatever it is. And basically, I accepted the challenge, if you want to say. Yeah, basically what we are going to do right now is we are going to do some shopping. So we are going to go onto Stadium Goods' website and basically check out what the hell is going on over on the Stadium Goods' website, pick up some goodies and basically show them off to you. So this video obviously depends when the sneakers or the items that I pick on the website actually come to me, but I just bought a new iMac Pro basically to just... It costs a lot of money, right? It costs around $5,000, and basically I decided to make that payment to be like, yo, this is my chance to work, this is my chance to basically just go in, and basically this summer I'm gonna come with the banger. So that is why I bought a new iMac Pro. So let's do some shopping on my new iMac Pro, but it's actually on Stadium Goods' website. So yeah. So yeah, we are on Stadium Goods' website. Massive shout out again to Stadium Goods for sponsoring this video. Without Stadium Goods, this video wouldn't be possible. I wouldn't be bringing you cool content like this. So massive shout out to them. Their website will be linked down below. And obviously, please stay tuned to the end of the video where basically we're gonna do a little something for you because I'm so close to 200,000 subscribers. Now, if you are not subscribed, subscribe right now. And if you watch to the end of the video, you also have to subscribe. So basically, you have no choice but to subscribe. Anyway, let's carry on. And basically, right here, we are on Stadium Goods' homepage. I need to start a screen recording. Okay, so this is the Stadium Goods website. Super clean website. But anyway, let's get to the sneakers. Now, the first sneaker they have right there is the new Yeezys. The day I'm recording this video, these literally just dropped. Now, I kind of do want them, but I think I can get them in London probably easier. These haven't even dropped yet. These black 700s are kind of sick. Hopefully this video goes live before these actually come out. I think these come out May the 31st, and then online they come out on like the 8th. But they have them for basically, they have my size for £400. Now retail is obviously £250, so that's not actually that much over retail. No idea what they're gonna go for, but I think this 700 is probably actually gonna go for a lot for a 700. Most of them are going for about retail. Now the Jordans, might have to do a little something for you guys. As I said, I'm just going to tell you now. At the end of the video, I'm going to give away another pair of Travis Scott Jordans for my 200k giveaway. So, I don't know, I'm going to add a size 9 to the cart. So at least we have the Travis Scotts in the cart. Now, obviously, whoever wins, I'll tell Stadium Goods to change the size. Let's carry on shopping. This is the Nike section. These two shoes just dropped. The Sakai's are actually really cool, but I have them both. Now, the Cactus, these are super hype right now. I don't know why. It's a really cool collab, but I actually feel the shoe is ugly. I don't know. For me, I can't really wear Vapor Max. I have most of the off-white Vapor Max and I just never ever wear them. It's summer right now, and to me, this doesn't really look like a summer shoe. Anyway, the Mars Yards, you got the Fear of God, don't really like these ones. And basically, yeah, this Nike section, obviously you got the off-whites. You got everything on here, but, ooh. This could be an idea. Now, Stadium Goods have given me a budget, but maybe I could use my budget not on myself. Okay, basically right now I am at home and Natalie isn't here. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, Natalie is my girlfriend. And basically she's just gone to Poland because her grandpa he's not too well. Maybe, I know she wants these so badly. Let me see how much they are in her size. She is the smallest size Nike do. She's literally a size 3, which is a US 4 right here. 760. Oh, this is what I'm gonna do. This is a good idea. I'm gonna surprise Natalie with her favorite sneaker because I know she wants these so badly. I'm gonna buy these in her size because Stadium Goods have them, and basically I cannot find this size anywhere. So I'm gonna add these to the cart. Boom. She's coming home in like 30 minutes from Poland, which is perfect because when these arrive, she's gonna be so shocked that I bought her these, and basically you guys can see her reaction. And also that would be really nice because she just went away for something that's like not amazing. So this would be great to basically, you know, put a smile on her face. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy Natalie her favorite sneakers in her super, super rare size, and I'm also gonna get a pair of Travis Scott Jordans to give away to you guys for my 200k subscriber goal. Now it's crazy that I'm even hitting 200k, and I cannot thank you guys enough. The videos in the summer are gonna be crazy. I'm gonna be posting as much as I possibly can, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna check out, or maybe we'll have a little look more at the site, shall we? Obviously, I know you guys are into streetwear, we all are, but look what they have here. They've got their Stadium Goods merch, which is actually pretty cool. Then they've got the new Palace drop. This is actually kind of sick. It's called Jobsworth. No way, because it's Steve Jobs, Apple. That's such a good name. So this is the new Palace collab. This hoodie is actually fire. It's like an Apple logo, but a Palace logo. It's not an official collab, but it's fire. Like, it's not official collab with Apple. Imagine actually doing a collab with Apple. That would be insane. Anyway, loads of Supreme stuff. Supreme bouncy balls, boxes, Supreme bags. If you don't have like a crazy budget, you can get something on here like Palace t-shirt, £100, New York t-shirt, $150. I'm actually gonna get these as well. I don't have a packet of these Supreme cherries, so they only released in America for some stupid reason. So I'm gonna get a pair of Supreme cherry drops. 5. Oh, the blue Unions. Now obviously I actually have a double up in the red Unions, but the blue ones, I don't like them as much, but it just irritates me that I don't have them both. So this is possibly an option. How much are they in my size? 1.3. I don't know if I'm rich enough to buy those right now. No, I'm not. I'm definitely not rich enough, especially after my holiday. So yeah, I have made the decision. We're gonna buy some cherry drops because they didn't release in the UK. We're gonna surprise Natalie with her dream sneaker, and I'm gonna get a pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1s for my 200k giveaway, and I'm gonna explain that at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned. So yeah, we're spending £2,609 on Stadium Goods, but what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna order them, and I'll see you guys back when the shoes arrive. And we'll surprise Natalie, and I'll tell you the giveaway details, how you can enter, how you could possibly win yourself a pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1s. By the way, you have to subscribe, so maybe subscribe right now before I actually get to the giveaway details, or you can just wait to the giveaway details and subscribe then. Alright, my case is closed.
Yeah?
Yeah, case is closed. Everything's inside. In Morocco, we are in Marrakesh, and this is like my birthday present from Natalie. Natalie really is the best. She got me this hotel, this whole holiday, and to Marrakesh for my birthday. So instead of just buying me something, basically we can make a memory, right?
Huh? What did you say?
We can make memories instead. Oh.
I love you so much.
My ding ding.
Okay, so do you want to know your surprise now?
My surprise.
Yeah.
So, okay, go on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so because you surprised me with this holiday, yeah? Okay guys, so we just landed in Marrakesh. So
Why do I have to sit down?
no, I just need to unbox a few bits. So Massive shout out to Stadium Goods. The parcel came. Here we go. We've got the Stadium Goods merch right here. This is their new t-shirt. And I didn't order this, but I think they just put it in my package basically. But this is actually really, really cool. And basically, yeah, could wear that right now as well because it's so hot in Marrakesh. Then we got some socks. We got some Stadium Goods socks. These are actually kind of cool.
Is this my surprise?
Yeah.
Socks.
Yeah. No, some stickers is your surprise. Stadium Goods.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. And yeah. Okay, close your eyes.
My heart is actually gonna like come out my chest.
Why? Close your eyes. Sit here.
It stresses me out. No, I'm sat here now. Stop.
Close your eyes. Are they closed?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm stressed. Please just
Come sit next to me here. Because you got me this holiday, I'm supposed to be doing a video with Stadium Goods,
Okay.
right? And I was doing like loads of shopping on their website, but I couldn't find nothing really. So open your hands. Now open.
Oh, what's this? Why are you putting this face? You always do this face? Oh my god, I'm scared. No, you never.
Yeah.
I wanted to get these on a leg, but I couldn't find them anywhere. They're so tiny. I'm a bit lost for words. I don't know what to say.
3.5, the smallest size that they have.
Oh, I really was not expecting that. Oh, babe. Thank you. Babe, I can't believe it. Why are you doing this face?
We should start our own channel. at
Yeah,
this
we
point.
will when we get a dog.
I'm gonna start pranking you every week.
No, that's what I said. If I was to make a channel, I'd stop.
No, that would be fun, to be honest. Let me know if you want to see that. If we had a channel, do you have a Volt bikini?
Yeah, I do.
You have to wear it.
That's why you said it.
Yeah. If you want to see that, then let me know. But massive shout out to Stadium. Say thank you to Stadium Goods.
Thank you so much, Stadium Goods.
Yeah. So basically, they made this happen with the off-white Volts.
You're so cute, baby.
Bruh. Anyways, I'm gonna cut to when you're wearing a bikini in there.
Thank you. Okay, yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm at home now and Natalie has had the Volts for a few days and
Hi guys.
what are you doing? What is this? You guys actually haven't seen what they look like on, so yeah. Here they are. Put the other one on, put the other one on. They look so sick, it's just on camera for some reason they're like this weird yellowy color. It can't pick up like the fire like Volt color that they actually are. So is this an outfit that you would wear these shoes with?
No.
Why not?
Would I wear this outfit? Would you let me out like this, first of all?
I don't think so, but what outfit would you wear it with? Just show us, show us.
Okay, one sec. So this is the type of outfit I would wear. Would you let me go out like this? Would you let me go out like this?
Out where? Where do you think you're going like this?
To the beach.
To where?
The beach.
The beach, okay. Let's see the beach that we're going to. In rainy London, the beach, yeah? This is how you're gonna go. So this is the vibe that you would go for?
Yeah.
What is this bikini?
It's a Volt bikini.
Huh.
Oh!
That is the worst.
You could have put that in, I was joking.
I am
was
putting it
joking.
in.
No,
I am
was
putting it in.
joking.
I am. Anyway,
Stop.
this is the vibe. Natalie, say thank you to
Thank you.
Stadium Goods for
Thank
your new
you so
crepes. Guys, this video is not over. I have one more announcement, and the announcement is, if you stay tuned to the very end of the video, yes, you and someone else are gonna have a chance to win the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. In my opinion, the best sneaker of the year so far. Anyways, me and Stadium Goods have teamed up to give away not one, but 2 pairs of Travis Scott Jordan 1s. For you watching this, and well, you technically plus another one because we're giving away 2, so that's 2 pairs of Travis Scott Jordans. This is the craziest giveaway I've ever done, and it's something I wanted to do for my 200k subscriber giveaway, so hopefully you guys can appreciate that. Stadium Goods are helping me do that, so thank you. Massive shout out to Stadium Goods. But anyway, let me tell you how the hell to enter this giveaway, because I know loads of you have already commented, yeah, but how the hell do I win the Travis Scott edit? I'll tell you right now. First of all, you have to subscribe to Stadium Goods' YouTube channel. I will link it down below. Very, very simple. Just click the link, then hit subscribe. Then you have to follow them on Instagram. Again, down below, click the link and then follow. And then in the comment section down below, comment your Instagram @username and the size of the Travis Scotts that you guys want to win. And then make sure you subscribe to me and make sure you follow my Instagram. If you win a pair of these, you can just wear them, enjoy them, and then maybe even sell them. Or maybe you need the money. Maybe it'll be great for you to win them just so you can sell them and keep the profits, and maybe that can start your reselling career. I don't know. But guys, this is a crazy giveaway. A massive shout out to Stadium Goods. Again, as I said, subscribe to their YouTube channel, follow their Instagram, subscribe to me, follow my Instagram, and comment your @username down below in the comment section below and the size of the Travis Scott Jordans that you want to win. Guys, it's been your boy Ari Petro, UK's Biggest Hypebeast.
Peace out.
Wow, killed it.